Are you having trouble with Roblox notifications not working on your PC after a recent update? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll walk you through some simple steps to get your notifications back on track. First, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for real-time notifications. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that your connection is working properly. If you're running into issues, consider restarting your router. Next, if you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. While these tools can enhance privacy, they may interfere with your connection to Roblox and its notifications. Once you turn them off, see if your notifications start coming through. Third, check for any pending device updates. Keeping your PC updated is essential for optimal performance. Head to your system settings and install any available updates before checking Roblox again. Now, let's review your notification settings. Open your Roblox app and navigate to the settings menu. Ensure that notifications are enabled and you've allowed Roblox to send alerts. Sometimes, a simple settings adjustment can make all the difference. If you're still facing issues, go ahead and restart your device. A fresh restart can help resolve many glitches, including notification problems. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and notifications are still not working, it may be time to contact Roblox support. They can provide assistance tailored to your specific issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the notification problems on your Roblox PC. Happy gaming, and don't forget to check for those messages.